Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to arrange your channels in server of Discord. If you want to move up or move down your channels on the Discord server, here how to doing that. You just press and hold, click and hold on the channel, and then you can move up and down. It indicate the green line color over there. So if I move to the upper like this, and also I can move to the bottom like this, very easy. Also you can do it for server. For instance, you have let's say you have 10 of servers, and then you want to arrange. You just press and hold until you see the line color, green line color. Also you can group it like this. So this is a group of server. It's really nice to organize your server like that. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.